Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Spark program. Now this program is where the government is going to be spending $40 billion to fix 2,000 roads in Jamaica. Not patch up, but rebuild 2,000 roads. Now, the government plans to split it into two. 20 billion will be spent by the National Works Agency to fix the main roads, and 20 billion will be spent through the municipal corporations to fix community roads. So the government has started to get contractors in place to start the project, and they hope to start in September this year, and the project is to last 2 years. And they've also started to select the roads. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information, and the government says they have selected 70 roads already. Approximately 70 roads identified during consultations on the Shared Prosperity through Accelerated Improvement to Our Road Network Spark Program has been referred to the National Works Agency to be scoped and costed. Prime Minister the Most Honorable Andrew Holness made the disclosure during a statement in the House of Representatives. He noted that community consultations have commenced to ensure the participation of citizens in determining the roads to be targeted within constituencies. To date, meetings have been held in 9 constituencies in Kingston, St. Andrew, St. Catherine, Clarendon, and St. Elizabeth. The consultations have been well attended, with constituents providing valuable input on local/community road infrastructure to be rehabilitated. We have received overwhelmingly positive feedback from residents, local businesses, and stakeholders who have expressed their appreciation for involving them in the decision-making process and addressing their concerns directly, the Prime Minister said. It is expected that consultations will be undertaken in at least 9 constituencies per week, he noted. The Spark program is allocated 40 billion, which is divided equally between main roads under the jurisdiction of the National Works Agency and secondary and community roads that are under the control of the municipal corporations or the NWA. The program is to be implemented over a 2-year period, and works will include pavement, resurfacing/rehabilitation, sidewalk rehabilitation, drainage improvements, waterline improvements, retaining wall construction, and intersection improvement at strategic locations. The Prime Minister told the House that the municipal corporations, through the local government and community development ministry, are now mapping all their roads. They are currently actively mapping the roads by constituency and have mapped approximately 62% of the entire road network. This will include the NWA and parochial roads. The level of work required to create a meaningful registry of the roads is far more involved than initially estimated, Mr. Holness said. He noted the mapping exercise involves more than just measuring the length and width of roads. We are conducting a ground exercise utilizing the ARGIS system, where we on-site verify and establish the length and width of sidewalks, drainage, culverts, road furniture, guardrails, stoplights, and road condition, and geolocated most of these features, he pointed out. Mr. Holness said that through the process, Jamaica will, for the first time in decades, have an up-to-date and comprehensive database of roads, which will serve as a powerful planning, estimated, useful which will serve as a powerful planning tool for the government to determine the estimated useful life remaining on a road, the repairs required, and any potential threats to its viability. Alright, guys, that is the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Now, they haven't put out the list of the 70 roads yet, but as soon as they put them out, we will give them to you. Alright, guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.